Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm just going to be taking you through the steps of how to take one frame in grease pencil from a frame to another frame. So if you accidentally move the timeline and instead of drawing on the same frame or keyframe you draw on another frame, then how do you select the item on the second frame and how do you move that back to your original frame? We're going to be showing you how to do that today, so stay tuned. Here we go. So the first thing to do is come up to where you select your object or draw mode and select edit mode. That's what you need to be on. Now use the select box, or if you want to use the select lasso, you can go in and click on the select box button and that will give you a drop down menu with more selections in it and choices. So you can choose the select lasso if you want to be more specific, but all I need for this example is the select box. So I've just selected with the box the area of the frame that I want to copy, and that's highlighted it in edit mode. Next I'm going to go up to the submenu taskbar and choose grease pencil and then choose copy, and I'm going to make sure as well that on the right hand side, the far right hand side, that I'm on my grease pencil layer, so otherwise this won't work. So make sure you're selected on the correct layer to begin with. Then just come down to your timeline and drag it to the correct frame that you want to be pasting the copied frame onto. So now that you're on the timeline and the correct frame, come back up to your menu where the grease pencil was that you selected the copy option from, and this time choose paste. Then all you have to do is delete the frames after the one that you've just pasted it to. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that Blender tutorial. Thanks very much for watching, and if you can, subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'll keep them coming. Okay, take care. Bye bye.